This is the Old Guy Network.
Welcome back to the Old Guy Network. I'm the old guy, the OG. Jay, you know who you are. Well, today I'm getting ready for a photo shoot. Yeah. No, not me. Nobody wants to take pictures of me. It's bad enough I have to be on this camera. But no, actually I'm having photographs done of my car, my 1993 Corvette. A good friend of mine is coming over. He is a professional photographer. He also works at a restaurant too, but he has sold some photos, so he is a professional photographer, and he's actually an award-winning professional photographer. So he's going to come over, and I'm not sure where we're going to go with the car. We're going to take it someplace and get some nice pictures of it, and that ought to be pretty cool. So I've been working most of the day trying to get it all cleaned up and make it look as good as I possibly can. So that'll be nice. Hopefully I'll be able to make a video out of this too, and we can show him taking some pictures, and you can see the car a little bit, and that'll be fun. I always like it when we can make a video out of something, and you know, gives me some more content for the channel, and I that's what it's all about. So, but today I was surprised. I didn't think I had much of a video today, except my good friend and OG in training, Zane, came through once again. I'm just happy. This guy is addicted to tools. He loves tools. He gets his boss to buy him tools. He buys some tools on his own, but he gets tools, and he gets good tools. And today he got 2 good tools, and we're going to show you that right now. So let's head on out to the shed, and we'll see if Zane's out there already. Hey, we're back in the shop, and look who's here.
Me, as a guest star on the OG Network.
It's him. The part of Zane will be played by Zane today.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And we got another tool. And I got an update before we get into this. Did you know, I got notification the other day that the Sawzall should be here Wednesday. 2 more days.
That's not bad. Anyone ready for
It came from China.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, so then we'll be asking people to send us in some videos and let us know why we should give you this tool.
Yeah, then, you know, part of the giveaway.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You're not
I'm not eligible.
You're not eligible.
I've got
But you get to play with a saw.
I get to play with a saw, yeah. Exactly.
So all right, so what do we got today?
We've got DeWalt XR Brushless Hammer Drill Impact Combo Kit. Comes with the drill, the impact, charger, 2 batteries, and a nifty little carry case.
Hey, I wonder if the carry case is down below here or is it up here?
I don't know.
I don't know either. Look out. There you go.
Alright.
Hopefully I didn't just rip the carry case.
Yeah, whatever. I don't use them.
Yeah, I got a sewing machine.
Yeah.
Woohoo! And, yep, carry case is right there. We know it's yours because it's the one with a hole in it.
Absolutely. And
Oh, look at that. Didn't touch it.
didn't touch it. Man, they crammed that right in there.
They do.
Oh, that's new. Last DeWalt I got didn't have that right on the front.
This tool was probably made in the USA with global materials. So everything came from China and they slapped it together here.
Exactly.
Probably by a guy who just crossed the border.
Unfortunately.
Oh, well, that's all right. You know, everybody's going to work.
Alrighty. So number 1. There it is.
Drive it.
This is what I got for. This is what I basically needed the most.
Yeah, you went there to buy a drill.
I went there to buy a drill, and they talked. My boss offered to upgrade me. He actually is the one that paid for the upgrade to the combo kit because he's just like, I don't like your impact. It stinks. So we're getting you the brushless.
Nice.
Okay, I'll take a free tool.
Yeah.
So.
All right.
Little plastic wrap.
Put that down there.
Nice and light.
Awesome.
Trigger
All
action.
right, keep going, keep going.
I know. Going over. We got some manuals. One for each. This one is the
Something you'll never read.
impact. This one.
Another one you'll never read.
Wait a minute.
It
Impact
doesn't
driver.
matter. Nobody can read it.
I'm reading it and it's confusing me.
Oh my god.
All right. I got 1
Battery Uno.
2 amp hour with the fuel gauge.
Nice. And then you've got battery dose.
Battery dose right there.
All right.
And that one also's got the little fuel gauge on there.
And with the 2 batteries, you got to have
a fabulous charger.
And if you're from around here, you say charger.
Charger.
That's a charger.
Yep. I wonder if it's any quicker than my other one.
2 batteries and a charger.
Yep.
Okay.
We've got 1
Oh, the clip.
2.
So you can put it on your belt.
2 clip.
Oh, 2 clips. Well, you got 2 tools.
Yeah.
And there's the little guy.
There's the little
driver.
guy. This is a 3-speed brushless impact driver.
All right, now just like always, is there any juice in these things?
This one's got 2. Yeah, I like that.
That's nice.
And it doesn't stink like my old one.
You can't smell the ozone, huh? How about this? Oh, smells good. Like a breath of fresh air.
Yep. So, hammer drill, we'll start with that one since that's, again, what I got for it.
Now, I know you like this feature, having the light stay on like that.
I do.
I don't.
However, this one has a dim option,
Yeah.
and it's also a low option, so you can turn it down.
Well, that's... Oh, you can turn it right off?
I think that one just timed out.
Oh, okay. And that's okay, but I would rather have it just
You
go
prefer
off.
the right off?
It saves the energy. I mean, these don't use up a lot
I
of
was going to
electricity.
say LED.
However, if you're using it all day long...
Absolutely. So, and then we got just 2 speeds, unlike the 3 speeds. I've seen some of these, they got 3 speeds.
Mm-hmm.
Hammer option.
Now that's keyless. That's a keyless chuck, obviously.
Keyless chuck.
Does it have the locking on it?
Yep.
All right, that's the nice thing with a lot of these. Most people use these wrong, and they show them the wrong way to put a drill bit on.
Oh, let's see. I got one right in my pocket.
Of course you do.
Of course I do.
It's going to show you the wrong way to do it, and I've been doing it wrong all my life up until about a month ago.
Yep. Most people just do that. Call it good.
Yeah. No, you got to give it a twist.
I like to just put it in there slowly until it torques. And then give it a clockwise twist when it's holding this way.
Yep.
Or counterclockwise this way.
And then that way your bit won't fall out.
Exactly.
Like it always does.
It always does, unless you do that.
Yep.
My boss complained about it. I showed him that, and he's just like, I never knew they did that.
Yeah. No.
So.
Nobody does. They don't. Well, we don't read these.
No, exactly.
We're men. We don't read directions.
Exactly. So we got, looks like 14 speed, 14 gear clutch.
Yep.
Drill, hammer drill. So that's pretty much all that. Let's do a quick weight on it.
Okay.
So let's see what the total weight is. Let's zero it first. 2 pounds, 10 ounces.
Almost 3 pounds with the battery, right?
Without.
Oh, without the battery. Put the battery in.
And throw the battery on there. 3 pounds, 6 ounces. So that's half a pound for the battery.
Yep.
But again, it's just a skinny little battery, 2 amp. So.
Hello.
Not the big bulky boys.
The camera is steadier this way, but I can't see a damn thing, so I have to keep looking at it.
Absolutely. So we'll throw the impact on there. What's that?
2 pounds.
2 pounds. Let's say 8 ounces.
2 pounds.
Nope, 12 ounces.
Okay.
I think we've had this problem before.
Yeah, I don't know. It's a mystery.
Yeah, so we'll go with that.
Yeah, put it on. Now put it on. Nope, 2 pounds, 12 ounces. Okay. Good enough.
Good enough. Alright, me back over here.
Yeah, and don't fall over because I have no insurance.
Absolutely.
Here we go. Now we're back.
You know what, just for...
Hello again.
Yes, just for giggles, we'll get these clips out of here.
I've had my drills for a couple of years, and I still do put the clips on. I never put... My pants fall down anyway.
Exactly.
So if you put them on my belt, and then my pants fall down.
Yeah.
And then people make fun of you for the crack of your ass.
See, I have the opposite problem. My pants don't fall down because even though I'm super skinny, I wear a belt, so it holds them nice and tight.
Well, I wear a belt too, but I have no ass anymore. See, as you get older,
True.
Your ass goes away.
That's true.
Your belly gets bigger, but your ass goes away.
Exactly.
So your belly pushes your pants down, and you got nothing to catch it.
Exactly. So,
that's more information than anybody wanted.
Yeah, most of the time I set mine right there on my belt. And the problem is I go up a lot of the time with my drill to drill holes or something like that. And I go to do the same thing and it falls 10 feet and hits the ground. I've done that more than once.
Yeah.
So I'm very glad that they sent 2 this time. Just because, well, I like it.
Yeah.
So take a couple seconds. Phillips. The little tiny Phillips. Perfect.
That's a flux.
Magnetic and all?
Yeah.
Ever so slightly.
Do you remember what the weight was of your drill? We did weigh your drill out at one point.
My 20-volt drill, yes. The drill that this is replacing, we did not ever weigh.
We didn't?
We did not.
Well, we just weighed the Sawzall, I guess.
Yeah.
Hacksaw.
Yep. I can't remember. It's definitely heavier.
Yeah.
It's like I said, it's an old 18-volt, 2-speed hammer drill. So beautiful.
Perfect.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Now here's the deal. He went to the store to get a drill. Just the drill would have been how much money?
The drill alone was close to $300. Just the drill, a battery, and a charger.
Okay. And now you got this.
2 batteries, a charger, and an extra tool for only $40 more.
That's a good deal. Where'd you get it?
I got it at Bell Simon's, Bangor. Unfortunately, it's a contractor-only place.
Yep.
But, I mean, they carry these in Lowe's, Home Depot,
Well,
random.
I'll check the price now.
I was going to say, the pricing varies. I mean, I did get them from a commercial distributor, so they might be a different quality, different grade. I know that they send different kind of parts, basically, to different, you know.
$340. You got 2 tools, 1 charger, 2 batteries, and the carry case.
Absolutely.
And I would think that drill is going to last a lot longer than the last one.
Absolutely.
I hope so.
Yeah, I think it makes a difference too that these are brushless versus the classic brushed.
Yep.
I'm sure the gearing, like I said, being from a different distributor, the gearing's probably metal versus plastic. Just small differences that make a big difference in you know, commercial world.
Yeah.
So, I mean, I use these every day, all day. I've drilled thousands of holes.
Yep.
So, I'm looking forward to see what these are going to do.
Yeah, we'll do an update later on. And how's the hacksaw working out?
Hacksaw's working awesome. I did some plumbing this weekend and came in very handy.
But that was all PVC too.
That was all PVC, yeah. New install, so.
Yeah. So you didn't have to cut away some old copper pipe or anything.
No copper.
You will at some point.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
So I'd be interested to know just how that holds out.
For sure.
I'm sure it's going to be fun.
We'll do an update.
Now these batteries will actually work in your other tools?
They will work on all my other tools.
You got 2 new DeWalts. You're going to come back here and let us know just how they perform.
Absolutely.
Because you did wear out another DeWalt drill, right? That was a brushed one.
It was an old brushed 18 volt. That's the one that this is replacing right here. This bad Larry. I was using it the other day, drilling holes, doing some, like I think I already said, I was doing some plumbing. Yep. Drilling 2-inch holes all day, and then it was in first gear, so high torque, low speed. I decided drilling a 1/2-inch hole. I was like, high speed's not gonna hurt. And I put it in high speed and pressed the trigger, and it didn't go.
So
clutch burned up.
Well, I don't think you're going to have that problem with this one.
No, absolutely not.
So I like this one. So you approved?
I absolutely approve.
All right. Well, that's going to do it for this one in the garage here, garage shed, whatever the hell this thing is. And
structure.
We've got another unboxing coming up. The actual Super Sawzall, that's coming up. Hopefully, I might have that uploaded on Saturday. I'm hoping to have that uploaded Saturday if we get it Wednesday. So
yeah, Saturday would be good.
That would be nice. And then we'll let you know just what we want you to do. in order to win the saw, because we're going to give that tool away. We're going to give it away, no questions asked. These you can't have.
These are mine. But someone out there watching this video is getting a Milwaukee Super Sawzall.
That's right, Fuel Series.
Fuel with a 5-amp battery, correct?
I believe so, yes.
I believe a 5-amp battery. Any charger?
I don't know.
I've got an 18-volt charger, so
I don't
we
know.
can at least send it out charged for you, and I'm sure chargers are fairly reasonably priced.
Oh.
Probably about the same, if not less than, the Super Sawzall.
You're getting the saw for free.
Exactly. You're getting the whole tool and battery for free.
All right, so that's going to do it for this one, and thanks for watching. And Zane, thanks for stopping by.
Not a problem.
And we'll see you next time.
Until next time, folks.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Oh, son of a...